What's up you guys, welcome to another Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to take a list of numbers and get the average of them. So let's go ahead and implement that. So let's go ahead and create our method that it's going to do that, and it's a private method and it's going to be a static method, and also it's going to return a double. And let's go ahead and name it getAv, and that should be good enough. And this method is going to take a list of numbers. So let's go ahead and tell Java to do that. Let's go ahead and type in double dot 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 and name your variable whatever you want. I'm going to name my numbers. So guys, remember what this means is you're telling Java, hey Java, I'm going to pass in a list of numbers, so just go ahead and expect that. So and let's go ahead and create two local variables. So the first one is going to be amount, which we're going to store all the numbers in, and the second variable is going to be the answer, which we're going to be storing the answer in. I mean, it's pretty straightforward. So let's go ahead and create the for loop that will do that for us. So let's go ahead and type in for, and we're looping through doubles. So, and let's name that number our variable. I mean, you can name it whatever you want, and we're looping through numbers. So let's go ahead and type in amount plus equals number. And this is giving me an error. You haven't been initialized. Oh, we forgot to put equals 0 here, because it's saying, hey, what are you adding it to? What was there before? So that's why it was giving me the error. So what do we have so far is basically this. We have a method called getAv, and this method takes as many doubles as you pass in. And what we're going to do is basically loop through the list of numbers that we passed in and sum them all and store them in a variable called amount. And after that, all we got to do is basically this. Type in answer. I mean, I just typed ans. I mean, that stands for answer, just for simplicity. And go ahead and type in amount divided by numbers dot length. If you guys are saying, oh, what the heck is that? That doesn't look like English. I mean, it's not English. So what numbers dot length mean? The list that we pass in right here, get the length of it, and that's basically it. Like, this will allow you to get the length of the list that you passed in here as a parameter. So simple enough. And let's go ahead and return ans, which stands for answer. So let's go ahead, let's type this up a little bit, and let's go ahead and test our program. So system out println, I mean, because we want to print it out, because this method only returns it. And let's go ahead and put a nice print statement. This is the av. And let's go ahead and type in plus, and let's go ahead and call the method. So to call the method, all you got to do is just type in the name of the method. So get av, and let's go ahead and type in 2, 3, 10, 20, and 40. That should be good enough. And let's go ahead and tie this up a little bit, and let's go ahead and run that and see what happens. And as you guys can see, it says the av is 15. So if you took all these numbers and you try to get the average will be 15. This is pretty much what I have for you guys for this tutorial. In the next couple of tutorials, we're going to be talking about arrays, and after that, we're going to be talking about array lists and all that good stuff. We're going to take it to a whole nother level. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.